Hello everybody. So we woke up to so much snow this morning, and that's people cleaning snow from their driveways, and not only from their driveways, they've been cleaning snow from the whole road leading up to the main road. So the government does clean snow from the main roads. There was a truck removing snow in the morning from the main roads, as they do from all the roads, but these small streets, we need to take care of them ourselves. So let's go and see what Khizr, Uzair and Harun are doing. Is the car stuck, or are they just being careful? It's looking for an address, I guess. Oh, here they are. Khizr, Uzair and Harun cleaning the snow from our driveway. Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey guys, we're cleaning up the snow that we showed you, and it's not pleasant. This is not pleasant at all. The deeper you go, the higher the snow gets. It's so my knees.
Yes, it was till Baba's knees, and now he has cleaned that part.
This is the opposite.
Look at his pants,
Video.
covered with snow, higher than his knees. Let's look at what other people are doing. Cleaning snow from their cars. Look at that. Everybody blowing off snow.
There's giant mountains from the snow that they can when people clean their snow. And now there's giant mountains there. So all the snow.
Look at this giant mountain. Can you go and stand next to that giant mountain so we know how tall it is?
That's not our property.
Oh, you're right. But it's definitely taller than Uzair's height.
No, I don't think it is. And when you try running in it, you'll fall. Like, I'll try running in it right now. Right here, I'll probably fall like at the end of it. My feet got stuck in it. And just so you guys know, this is a snow blizzard. So if you've never seen one, now you have. A snow blizzard. Since my dad went there, I guess we'll just use this.
It came back on your face.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
my God, I think it's gonna take you the whole day to clean this much snow from the driveway for our car to be able to go out.
Otherwise, it'll just come back like a boomerang onto my face. Like that.
Oh!
I can throw it on you without even anything. Did it go on you?
That's what everyone's doing, cleaning the snow. Look at that car. So there is snow on it as tall as the car itself. So the car seems to be double its height because of the snow on it.
Before we started cleaning, my brother buried my shovel, so I'm gonna bury his. I buried your shovel. Somewhere over there, that's strong. Where is it? You want past it? This is gonna take me all day. This might even be longer than the chess video that we made on the airplane. That was like 35 minutes.
Okay guys, so we're going to resume after 4 hours. Bye.
4 hours?
Yeah, after you're done cleaning the driveway.
No, when we're almost done.
Oh, you think you're almost done? Really? I don't see the blacktop anywhere. All I see is white snow.
When most of the blacktop showing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
No, when we have a giant mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
The same scene everywhere. Everybody is trying to clean their driveways, their sidewalks. Look at this. The height of snow on the floor. Whew. Oh my God, heaps of snow. I don't know if you can appreciate the height, but it's definitely way more than 1 foot. It's at least 1.5 to 2 feet. Okay, we're back after.
We made the big mountain. It doesn't look that big from here.
Yes.
But once you get closer and closer.
Yeah, go close to it and then I'll show them how tall it is compared to your height.
This is how tall it is.
It's till Uzair's shoulder at least, right?
Yeah.
Or is it at the level of your arm?
And it's also a good bed.
All right, you guys did it in around 15 minutes. Not bad. I think we'll be done in another half an hour if you continue at this speed.
We tried sledding in all the snow. But the snow's so hard that the sled can barely move. And we tried using the sled to shovel it all up and put it in the piles.
Did it help?
What?
Did it help? much work to do. Yes, now we can see the black top.
And if you hit it really far, you remember what happens, right? Comes right back. This time I went over there. So if I do it like this, it'll come right back. Right back on my face like a boom. Hey! So, can I show you what else is a good bed?
I'm not wearing a jacket, is it? I need to go. No, I can't come there. I'm not even wearing shoes. I'm just wearing slippers. I need to run inside. Bye guys. Have fun shoveling. I'm going.
Just give me the phone. It's like... We'll resume the video when... Yeah. Okay, so...
Okay, bye.
See you when we resume it.
No, because I don't throw snow at me. Please, I'm not wearing any jacket. Thank you.
So, yeah.
Thank you for your mercy.
So, yeah, we'll resume after... yeah. So, yeah. See you when we resume. Hey guys, my mom needs to make a phone call, so we're gonna end the video here, but we'll make a part 2 when all of it's done. So bye, make sure to like and subscribe.